Hi, my name is Eva and I work as a customer care here at BlindShell. At BlindShell, we design phones for blind and visually impaired users. They are created along with the visually impaired community as well. But what really sets us apart from other phones? Our BlindShell Classic 3 has big tactile keyboard and buttons, has large, easy to read screen, and loudspeaker that you will be able to hear even in very loud environments. BlindShell has very simple menu which you can navigate in its entirety by those tactile buttons or even with your voice, depending entirely on your preference. So today I'm going to show you what each of those buttons do and later do a little demonstration as well. Let's start with the front of the phone, from top to bottom. At the top, right in the middle, you'll find a long rounded earpiece. Below is a large, easy to read screen. And under the screen there are 6 main control buttons. These are the heart of the BlindShell Classic 3. On the upper left side, there is a small dot-shaped left action button. Just below it, you'll find the confirmation button. This one is slightly larger, again round, and has a green color. On the right side, at the top, there is the right action button, also dot-shaped. Below that, you'll find the back button shaped like a diagonal line. Between the left and right buttons, you'll find 2 straight lines, one above the other. These are the up and down buttons for moving through the menu. Below the control panel, you'll find the alphanumeric keypad. If you touch number 5, you'll feel a small raised dot. It helps you to orient yourself as it indicates you are in the middle of the keypad. At the very bottom, you'll find the loudspeaker, which gives you clear and powerful sound. There are also buttons on the side of the phone. On the right side, there is the side action button. You can use it to open the list of your favorite applications or to activate voice control. On the left side, there is the volume button. The volume can be increased up to 10 levels and it is really loud, so you'll have no problem hearing your phone even in a very noisy environment. Now let's turn the phone around. So at the top center of the back, you'll find the camera, and just below it, the SOS button for emergencies. If you hold the SOS button for a prolonged period of time, it lets you call your preset emergency contact. Next to the camera, there is a small camera LED flashlight. On the top edge of the phone, the part that connects the front and the back, you'll find the headphone jack on the right. The headphone come included in the package. And on the left side, at the top edge, there is LED flashlight and light sensor, which helps you in darker environments. Now, if you feel the bottom edge, you'll notice 2 tiny holes on the right corner. That's where you can attach a lanyard to the phone, so you never lose your phone. The lanyard is also included. In the center of the bottom edge, there is the USB-C charging port, and on the left side, a small opening slit to help you remove the back cover. To remove the back cover, you will hook your fingernail into the small slit on the bottom right edge and gently pull. Inside you'll find a removable battery, 2 micro SIM slots and micro SD card slot on the right for extra storage. We highly recommend using the SD card to back up your data to ensure you will not lose any of your photos, videos, or other valuable data from your BlindShell. The BlindShell Classic 3 has 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal memory. And since the battery is replaceable, you can easily change it yourself if it ever wears out. Now we are going to put the battery back and close the cover again. Now let's turn the phone back around and power it on. To turn it on, press and hold the back button, the diagonal one, on the right side of the control panel. You'll hear the startup jingle, and when the phone starts to speak, it's ready to be used. The menus or lists of items are designed as cyclic lists. That means if the last item is reached, moving to the next item, the first one will appear again. To move to the next item, you press the down button, the lower straight line. To move to the previous item, press the up button, the upper straight line. You can also long press the up or down button and it will directly take you to either the first or the last item. To select or confirm an option, you press the confirm button, the large round button, the second row on the left. To go back, you press the back button, the diagonal one on the right. To hear status information or notifications, you press the left action button all the way in the top left corner.
No notifications. 1 of 6. 1:56 p.m. Thursday, October 9th, 2025. Battery state, 97%. 6 of 6.
To repeat the last spoken information, you press the right action button on the top right. So for example, imagine someone is calling you, but you missed the name. Let me demonstrate.
Eva.
You can always press this button and the last information on the screen will be read to you again. Now I'll do a little demonstration. So, to access the main menu, you need to press either the up or down button.
Call, 1 of 8.
Let's move to the next item and let's quickly go from one to another so you get the idea what you can find in the menu.
Messages, 2 of 8. Contacts, 3 of 8. Tandem, 4 of 8. Applications, 5 of 8. Settings, 6 of 8. Manual, 7 of 8. Turn off the phone, 8 of 8.
But I should not forget, I wanted to show you how to customize the color scheme of the screen. So, let's go from the start again.
Call, 1 of 8.
And we are
Messages,
gonna
2
go
of
to
8.
settings.
Contact, tandem, application, settings, 6, sounds, 1 of
Now
11.
we are gonna find the display,
Keyboard, display, 3, brightness setting, 1 of 7.
and color
Screen type
scheme.
color scheme, 3 of 7. White on black selected, 1 of 12.
Now we are
Black on white
gonna
not selected, 2 of
select
12. White on blue, black on yellow not selected,
black
4 of
on
12.
yellow. I think that looks great.
Black on yellow selected. 3:30 p.m.
Anytime I find the item that I'm searching for, I
Messages,
press
2 of 8.
the confirmation button, which is the round green circle second on the left from the top.
Write SMS, 1 of 5.
To confirm your choice, you always press this button, and to go back, you always press the back button, again located on the right side below the right action button.
Messages, 2 of 8.
The numeric keypad also offers quick dial shortcuts. Let's say we want to assign number 6 to call me.
No number assigned to this quick dial key. Do you want to pick a number? 1 of
Now
1.
we confirm.
Select contact. 1 of 2. Eva. 1 of 3. Quick dial save.
And
3:37
now,
p.m.
if I long press number 6 again,
Dialing. Eva.
it's that simple.
3:37 p.m.
There are actually two ways of turning off the phone. We can go to the main menu
Call 1 of 8.
and go to the last item by long pressing the down button.
Messages. Turn off the phone. 8 of 8.
And by confirming, we would turn off the phone. Or
3:46 p.m.
we can long press the back button
Do you want to turn off the phone? 1 of 1.
and then press the confirmation button.
The phone is turning off.
So, to conclude, BlindShell Classic 3 is simple to use, but it also offers so much more. For example, Luna, our AI assistant. You can ask her to help you find a recipe on the internet, save a contact, or send a message on your behalf, and much more. You can do this all hands-free. Observo, which can describe what's in the photo you took. It can also describe, for example, banknotes or colors. And last but not least, Tandem, which allows your friends, family, or support person in your life to remotely connect to your phone with your permission, so they can help you with troubleshooting or setting the phone up. So overall, BlindShell Classic 3 combines simplicity with technology. Whether you would just like to message your family and friends or make use of the more advanced features like Luna, Observo and Tandem, BlindShell is simply here for you.